Bakso. Yeah. Yeah.
Egg, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
May puy, pasok na kayo dun, may puy. Mami pala to, mami. Okay. It's up to you, Manong.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
So po, 50 pesos na po yun.
Okay.
Wanna try din, Bella? Looks good. Tastes good, huh? Spicy. The noodles, is it soft? Alright, good. Nauubos ko, pero inumin ko pa tong sabaw. Yan, authentic na Indonesian food. Mga piatos, no, Bella? Pilipinas. Mayroon din, pero ito, ibang flavor, oh. Sambal mata flavor. Ito, sambal kiprek flavor. Hindi ko alam. Titikman ko lang eh. Tignan natin. Tastes good.
Tastes like the parang
Kimchi?
kimchi. No, it's good. It's good.
Really? Kakaiba, kakaiba.
Parang ganito yung sausawan natin.
So kahapon kumain kami, ito yung sausawan namin eh. Sambal. Sarap siya. Malasa din naman. Very tasty.